Clear phlegm and mucus naturally with a healing drink. Excessive phlegm and mucus can be uncomfortable and disruptive, affecting your throat, lungs, and overall respiratory system. While mucus plays a vital role in trapping dust, allergens, and microbes, too much can result in coughing, congestion, and difficulty breathing. If you're looking for a natural remedy, one simple and effective solution is a special homemade drink that can help clear your airways and restore respiratory balance. The power of natural ingredients. This drink combines ingredients known for their anti-inflammatory, expectorant, and immune-boosting properties. Here's how it works. Honey. A natural demulcent, honey soothes the throat and helps to thin mucus, making it easier to expel. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, ginger helps relax the airways and reduce mucus buildup. Lemon. Rich in vitamin C, lemon boosts immunity and reduces throat inflammation, helping to dissolve mucus. Turmeric. This golden spice is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can reduce mucus production. Cayenne pepper. Capsaicin in cayenne pepper works as a natural decongestant and promotes mucus drainage. Warm water. Hydration is key to thinning mucus, and warm water helps soothe irritated airways. Recipe for the phlegm-clearing drink. Ingredients: 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger or half teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, juice of half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper, optional for those who tolerate spice. Instructions: 1. Heat a cup of water until warm, but not boiling. 2. Add the grated ginger or ginger powder. Stir well. 3. Mix in the turmeric powder, honey, and lemon juice. 4. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper if you want an extra kick to clear congestion. 5. Stir thoroughly and sip slowly while the drink is warm. How it works. Breaks down mucus. Ginger and turmeric help break down thick mucus, while warm water and lemon dissolve and thin it for easier expulsion. Reduces inflammation. Turmeric and honey calm irritated throat tissues and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Boosts immunity. Lemon and honey support your body's defenses against infections that can worsen mucus production. When and how to drink it. The best results: drink this remedy first thing in the morning, to clear mucus that builds up overnight. Before bed, to reduce coughing and congestion while sleeping. Throughout the day, as needed, especially during a cold or flu. Additional tips to reduce mucus. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Avoid dairy and processed foods, which can increase mucus production. Inhale steam or use a humidifier to loosen mucus. Practice breathing exercises to keep your airways clear. By incorporating this natural drink into your routine, you can effectively clear phlegm and mucus, breathe more easily, and support overall respiratory health. Remember, if symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare professional.